Hey everyone, I'm Sukanya, founder of Correlate, and I'm with Matt here at Re-Up Refills in Oakland. We're here to talk about the whole refill and the reuse movement that's going on and gaining momentum with every passing day. Correlate is essentially a retail platform that helps to connect eco-conscious brands with refill and zero waste stores like Re-Up. And we're here to talk more about what they do and what the refill movement is all about. So, Matt, over to you. Would love to get an introduction of you.
Yeah. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to talk with you. Well, this whole concept started from a friendship that me and my really good friend have always been like scheming over whether or not we could start an environmental organization together. We've both been really focused on waste reduction for about the last 10 years now. And this felt like something that we had a nice connection point over. We both knew a lot about environmental products, sourcing, bulk goods, and it just felt like something that was missing in the community and something that we wanted to take on. I first got inspired about the environment and climate. I was at Berkeley as an undergrad, and I took a class my freshman year that was called Global Warming, the hard science behind it or something like that. And it was a physics course that just taught us the basics of what was going on in the climate. It was my first like real like understanding and also like now moment of wow, there's a lot going on in the world that I don't know, and it inspired me to learn more. And from there, I've kind of been on a life trajectory of always being interested and involved in environmental movement and the environmental justice movement. So this just felt like a really nice fit and a segue of what I'd been working on prior.
You have an incredible background, Matt, with every aspect intertwining so well with the other. So there's architecture, there's urban farming, there's conservation, and there's also waste reduction. So what's the sequence? What's the chronological progression of all this? And can you tell me a little bit more about your background?
Well, I guess as you read the list, it makes me think that my parents would probably approve more if I just focused on one thing. But I guess my personality is one that I like doing a lot of different things. I've always been really passionate about all the things you described. Post-college, so I studied conservation research studies and international development studies at Berkeley. And when I left college, I knew that I wanted to do something with my hands. It just felt like I wanted to put some practical skills to use. And so I joined the farming scene, and I started doing organic farming in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and grew a ton of vegetables all over the Central Coast, pasture-raised pigs and chickens. And from there, I just found that there was a lot of building to be done on these farms, and I had an interest in figuring out how that all works. So I kind of just merged into ecological building and have been there for a very long time. And systems and like waste and thinking about how we can better improve the way we manage our waste in terms of, in the farming scale, it was waste nutritive cycling, so compost systems. I've done a lot of like wastewater processing and gray water systems. And so I've always kind of like had this thread of I want to do something active in terms of like having meaningful change, but also being involved on a day-to-day job that felt really meaningful. And generally it has to do with using my hands and using my body and being out in the world. And it's always been around the environmental cross-section of trying to reduce waste and think critically about where we are in the world and like what our biological role is as humans. And so the refill shop was kind of like this last extension of figuring out how to make waste reduction work kind of on a local level. And I happen to be living in the city of Oakland, and we didn't have a refill shop. And it seemed like a really great way of allowing our friends, family, and community to have access to bulk goods that are well-sourced, good for us, good for the planet, and to reduce some waste. So that's kind of been my path. And I like that. We built the shop out ourselves. We're currently building out a new shop. I'm doing all the work ourselves, and it's great. It's like an intersection of all the things that I've been doing over the last 15 years coming to fruition. So it's been really exciting.